At the Amo Mall. I forgot to do an intro of these. Fools wanted to come here, so I had to bring them here. We're starting out at XB, Extreme Board Shop. I swear, they've been getting all kinds of dunks and stuff lately. SB dunks, that is. Yeah, these are the latest ones right here. I don't know what colorway this is, but this is suede. This will match with almost everything. They got so many sizes too. SB dunks, all suede, comes with fat laces. These are pretty freaking dope. At 125, pretty much every size. They got these here as well. These are the black and white, or white, black on white, that is, black on white. Yeah, they got plenty of these in every size. 115 for these. You can wear that pretty much with anything. Last year's model was a gum outsole on that one. And then they got these deconstruct looking ones right here. Anti-Hero. There's a collab with these fools. Okay. Alright, got some mids right here. Mids have been going for quite a bit. 145. They have a 10.5 and a size 8. I keep showing you guys these 480s. These look freaking dope. I feel like they have some SB ones and some regular ones or something, but these suede ones right here, these are so freaking nice. They got some Grant Taylors right here. Pretty nice selection. They got plenty of stuff. They got the iShod 2s right there. They got iShod 1s. They got the Blazers, the SB Blazers right here. Everything is regular price. So this one's 80 bucks. But yeah, nice little selection of SB sneakers. Sent the kiddos to this store right here. Wait, this is not the good one though. Is it? This is Book Off right here. They got all kinds of used books and stuff, but they also have video games and stuff. They have a really extensive collection of used video games and retro video games like Nintendo and Sega Genesis, all that type of stuff. They wanted to come to this store right here called Animate, but it's closed for some reason. I don't know. Do got a Champs right here, and this is one of the biggest Champs. Takes up 3 different store spaces. Anything good in the sale section right here? Got some Vans right here. Lowlands go for 40 bucks. Some Rivalries, 550s. These are Full Forces. Full Forces. A little discount on these. Oh, more Lowlands. This is all stuff that they only have 1 or 2 sizes of. Do got one of these, the Cosmic Unity 3s. Go for 60 bucks. Pretty deal. What the hell is this right here? Is it Champion? $80 Ultra Boost. What are these? The 20. Oh, the Ultra Boost lights right here. The women's. All right, they got one of those 70% off racks right here. Adidas hoodie, 65. Adidas jacket. These are size smalls. So yeah, 100 bucks. $100 jacket for $30. That's pretty decent. Got Adidas sweats and stuff like that. Okay. At least they have a 75% off rack. Not the greatest, but at least they got it. First time we are seeing the new era. These are like the latest beanies that just came out this past season. And yeah, these are on sale. I really like this one. 25% off, not a good enough deal. Maybe if it keeps going down. These are $30 right here. So not too bad. They got Dodgers, they got Clippers, Rams, Chargers. Wait, they do got some Mitchell & S. Kings hats for 10 bucks. Got all kinds of emblems and stuff. Normally $48 down to 10 bucks. They got these adjustable Angels hats, $20 for those. These are normally 28, so a little discount. Curious to see what these are going for because I grabbed these for my kiddo. 50 bucks. I think I paid 20 or 25 bucks for these. I'm at the Foot Locker outlet. More 70 off clearance section right here. Man, just a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. Oh, they do have these shorts. The CSG shorts. My kid said he thinks most of the shorts he has are medium because he does have a bunch of these brands, or these shorts from this brand, and I think these are all smalls. Dang it. Smalls and double XL, 70 off. And they have 50% off right here. Do got Nike. And I kind of want to stop by because today was Jordan release day. And a bunch of you guys are telling me, hey, they're sold out in my city. In LA, we are just hella lucky. Because, yeah, they got them available, yo. Is this men's or is this grade school? These look small. All right, so these are grade schools. I'm sure they had them throughout the day, especially this AM. I'm sure they had them. Everybody was out and about looking for them. They do have these in a size 9 right here, and probably a couple returns. Is this 3M on this one? Is that 3M? Oh, 3M on the back. Okay, got some mids, and then do got Jordan 39s right here. These totally look like designs, but these are the Jordan 39s, the latest and greatest from Jordan brand. $200 for these. I haven't tried these on. I've tried the 38s. The 38s are so freaking comfortable. And it is like 30 minutes before they close, so it does look like they're gone here. It does look like the 5s are sold out. They do got Luka 3s and colorways I've never seen before. I've never seen these. They say the cushion is max. That's kind of interesting because the cushion on these definitely don't look the same as the Jordan 38s. LeBron's GT Jump. Yeah, it doesn't look that elite. But it is a budget compared to all the shoes I just talked about. $130 for those. Pegasus 2005s. They're coming out with all kinds of older retros, I guess. Fomero Roams right here. Zoom Freak 6s. Have I even seen the 6s? These kind of look like the books right here. I was like, are these the books? Oh, okay, yeah, we have seen these. We've seen these bad boys right here. We've seen the Jaw 2s plenty of times. GT Cut 3s and colorways I've never seen before. These also have really, really, really good cushioning for basketball shoes. I've seen that blue one, but I've never seen these. Black and whites right here. These are clean as hell. And then they got the GT Hustles. What are the GT Hustle 3s right here. And they are discontinuing these Invincible Run 3s right here. So they got a couple or 3 different colorways. I was curious to see if they have the Pegasus Premiums. They do not have them here. When I say, I think Bosco saw them at the Grove. Were they at the Grove? Yeah, they definitely don't have them here. They do have the Vaporfly 3s though. Yeah, they're going for the 260, full 260. This spot's been getting Kobe's. This spot's been getting all kinds of releases. Don't sleep on this spot if you happen to be in the South Bay. All right, in Billabong, they are one of the stores that's closing, along with Quicksilver as well as Volcom. So yeah, apparently they do have a pretty big sale. All right, we do got a big JD Sports right here. And the 5s did not make it to the wall because they sold out this AM. Hearing plenty of you guys talk about you took L's, but there were chances. You guys saw my mall vlog a couple days ago. There are plenty of chances at the malls. Plenty of stores got them. All the reports of only 60K, that was all BS. But yeah, they got everybody hyped about it, right? But yeah, I do got these. Okay, so we are starting to see these. What are these? The Concord 1 lows? I can't call it the Concords because there's no Concord on it. There's literally no Concord on it. But whatever. Y'all want to call it that. $125 for those patent leather bad boys. Oh wait, I forgot this little last size section right here. Yeah, pretty much 50% off. Oh, I forgot the LeBron retails went down, which I give Nike credit because when do they decrease the price of a shoe? Like, we just don't see that often. And yeah, last year they were $200. Now they're down to $180. So props to them. You know, maybe it's a little cheaper to make, but props to them. But yeah, $110 now. Oh, I thought these were some Jordan 1 high OGs. Never mind. I think Chic is taking the award for the biggest deals because right now these were down to what, $60 at Chic. I just went to one today. The deals ain't bad. Just a little bit better there. Sabrina, a very small women's size. More than 50 off, that's not bad. But this is the old silhouette, right? Because the Sabrina 2s are out now. And dude got Dunks and Dunks galore on sale. Look at this, look at this. Every high school kid needs a pair of these, right? Not really, but kind of sort of they do. I don't think they need them, but that's what they think. So a lot of them buy them. But yeah, got plenty of Dunks under $100. Halloween ones right here. And then I want to say wheat, but I don't know. I always think like the SB ones whenever I think of wheat. But yeah, plenty of them go for under 100, including these waffles right there. Got a Foot Locker right next door. little sales section right here. This isn't 4K, so if you guys want to pause it and zoom in, I'm too lazy to go through each one of those. We gotta look at these. Hold on. $45, 45 bucks. I'm not a fan of this color. I am a fan of the price. Is this a women's? Like, why is this one so small? It says 5.5, so probably a women's right here. But yeah, $45. Are you serious? If this hit the Foot Locker outlet, holy cow. All right, I guess we'll look at a few. We'll look at a few. And look at this. These are almost identical, like half a shade difference, and $10. Or it could be, the hell, is one of them a women's, one of them a men's? I don't know. I'm so confused. What Jordan 1 low is this? It's like a Pelicans colorway or something. And the material is definitely interesting on these too. Looks better than the regular Jordan low. I don't know. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, these are, yeah, the material, these are way better. But yeah, this is a great school. And this is the back side right here, where they do got the Jordan 1 low OGs. Jordan 1 low OGs for $100. I just saw these for $60 at the Citadel. I had to say no, man. I had to say no. Just been buying way too many sneakers this year. I think I've already bought, what, 6 pairs this year, which is way too many, way too many. Someone just showed me a picture of these sitting at Nike Outlet in Livermore, going for $149. What that extra, was it 30 or 40% off? But it was hella cheap. I'm so jealous. So I would grab for that price. It's still retail here. And yeah, these will eventually go on sale as well, right? And they got a sales rack right here. Looking very similar to the one at Champs though. And this mall is weird as hell. You have to walk through the Macy's. And then when you come out on this side, you see the rest of the mall. This side of the mall is kind of the bootleg side of the mall though. Just not the high-end stores like the other side. But they do have a Shoe Palace on this bootleg side. I think it's the only good store here. Oh, my bad. Across the way, there is a Dick's Sporting Good as well. We've got Great School of the Fives. And are these the Space Jam 1s right here? Space Jam 1 mids. Okay, $135 for these bad boys. They still have the Shoe Palace exclusive forums right here. I kind of do like these. These are the flea market edition right here. $40 for those bad boys. The Shoe Palace exclusive. This one's made specifically for Shoe Palace. Has the 1993 year on front. And yeah, $60 for those. This uses the Forum 84 leather, so you're getting really good material, especially for those two prices. Starting to see the MB4s right here. Shoe Palace hadn't had those before, so it looks like they are starting to get a little more stuff from Puma. $80 for the Tony Montana Shoe Palace collab right here on these suedes. Okay, exclusively at Shoe Palace, I guess. $80 for those. All right, this is the sales section right here. I don't see anything too crazy. We've seen most of the stuff at most of the other Shoe Palaces. At Shoe Palace, if it's on sale at one spot, usually on sale pretty much everywhere. These graffitis, we have not been seeing these LeBron 4 graffitis at most spots. It is on sale for $160. Not a big discount, but it is a slight sale. These, I think, retail for like $240 or something. But yeah, the rest of the stuff, it is what it is. And in the same mall, they have another Book Off location. That other one's like a small one, and then this is the one that has most of the stuff. So my kiddos, they came over here. Have I showed this stuff off? They have all kinds of collectibles and stuff like that. So like Street Fighter collect a 120? God damn. But yeah, they have a really good collection of retro games. $15 for Sneaky Snakes. What the hell? I've never heard of that game. $35 for Donkey Kong? God dang, dude. But yeah, these are Game Boy games. Original Game Boy games right here. They got DS games, 3DS, 64 games, Super Nintendo, $30 for Super Mario World. And yeah, they got other games over here. GameCube, Street Fighter with box. Wow. $500. $500. Is that an RPG game? God dang, dude. And then they have different cabinets. I think the way it works here, these cabinets might be owned by specific people. And then they sell it on, what is it? Sell it on consignment. And I think that's the way it works. I don't know that to be fact. It might be that they own everything. I'm trying to remember, but yeah, they got more games right here. Look, these are, I think, Japanese exclusives, if I remember, because it's all Japanese right here. But they have one for $3. $3. They got Famicom games right here. More Famicoms. They also got DVDs as well as used books. Pretty dope place if you're into collectibles and video games, that type of stuff. Definitely worth a stop, man.